Macbeth. Macbeth is a play that begins with the crushing of an uprising. Then it traces another uprising as we watch Macbeth seize the crown. And then we watch another uprising rise up to overthrow Macbeth, who is now the despot. It is a story of violence, and it is a story of increasing totalitarianism. So, what is the sound of totalitarianism? It is the sound made by bowing steel, by tapping steel, by fluttering against steel, by hitting the steel with contact microphones and recording what you get off the microphone. That kind of sound is not identifiable as being of any particular time, and that's good because this is a story that has been told time and time again throughout our history. It is musical, it sounds musical, but the cues themselves are little music bits that repeat very quickly and don't have a lot of musical development in them. Just the same way the totalitarian keeps trying the same simple little thing, violence, over and over again. During Macbeth's classic Dagger of the Mind speech, we are so far inside his head we can hear the blood pulsing in his ears. Here Macbeth is crowned king. The witches disappear. Warnings in our Yale School of Drama version, directed by David Kennedy, were made by anonymous phone calls, and murders were committed by murderers strangling victims with phone cords while we heard the dial tone hum in the background.